Okay, well, we're walking through the temporary south door into the new library. Right inside the door to the right, we've got some new casework. And I don't know if these people can spell or not. I can't seem to make out any words there, but that's a whole other story. The electrician's starting to get up some interesting looking light fixtures. And it's a good thing electricians don't have to build things plumb level and square. But I don't think they wanted things level. We have an interesting feature over here, and the guys on the job affectionately call this area the football. Drywall finishers are over here working on these gypsum clouds. There's a lot of different sized round holes in there, so that's a real challenge to the drywall finishers to do a nice job on those. And there are lots of them.
Which I'm not a big fan of. If you're going to scrape it, sand it.
Walking out into the large open area in the center of the building. And over here is like the main staircase that goes up to the second floor level, and that's had granite treads installed on it now. And the electricians just recently got these fixtures up, and he informs me that they will be illuminated later today. Way up high, we have something called the amoeba light fixture. Actually see the reflection of it in the glass handrail up above. The drywall finishers are finishing up the drywall finishing of the round column covers. Again, that's a rather challenging task to do. We're not used to going circular with drywall. Over here we have an area that will be turned into a cafe, and we don't have the floor placed yet, but that's going to happen tomorrow. There's the amoeba fixture from a distance. And this wood ceiling with the light bars is actually the ceiling beneath the sloped deck for the auditorium up above. Well, we're now in the auditorium, and the painters are in the progress of gluing on a wood veneer on these gypsum clouds up above, and they are curved or bowed, so that's why it's a veneer product. It'll bend off of a plane fairly easily. Seating will be installed down here in a couple months. Okay, we're on the east end of the second floor level, and all of the carpet has been installed over here. Things left to do would include rubber base to put around the perimeter, and we've got all these penetrations to the access floor. It's actually concrete floor about 1.5 feet below me here. So underneath the carpet is more or less a HVAC plenum, and the sheet metal contractor will be installing floor registers in these holes. We're on the second floor south side now. There's a nice row of rooms in this area. The doors have all been hung. Hardware installed. They're awaiting the glass for the doors. You can see the carpet layers working down here. This area has both electrical lighting, these fixtures here, and it also has natural lighting. These are what's called a solar tube, and they gather outdoor light, magnify it, and project it through this hole. It looks like it's about maybe a 20-inch diameter, and if you didn't know better, you would think that they were an electrical light because it's cloudy and gray outside, yet today there's a lot of light coming through them. The roof of this building is what they call a green roof, and there'll be like planting mediums and things like that up here. So it's going to be a really nice place to be on a warm summer day. And there you can see our football up at the top. It gathers the light and moves it downstairs where it can be used. We'll actually harvest rainwater and store it in these 2 tanks over here that will be used to water the plantings then on the roof. So the panel installers have some work here to do on this part yet, and you can see that they're already starting to do